Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about the neighboring countries of India. Students, India is the second largest country in the world in terms of population and the seventh largest in terms of area. Look at the map of India. The southern part of our country is bounded by three water bodies: the Arabian Sea in the west, the Bay of Bengal in the east, and the Indian Ocean in the south. A piece of land that is surrounded by water on three sides is called a peninsula. The, the southern part of India is a peninsula. So, India is called a peninsula country. So, students, now we are going to learn about neighboring countries of India. Our country India is located in South Asia. India shares its border with several countries, which include China, its capital is Beijing; Bangladesh, its capital Dhaka; Nepal, capital Kathmandu; Pakistan, capital Islamabad; Afghanistan, capital of Kabul; Bhutan, its capital is Thimphu; Sri Lanka, capital Colombo; and next Myanmar. Now we will learn about neighboring country. First is Pakistan. Pakistan is located on the western side of India. Pakistan shares its borders with the Indian states of Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab, Rajasthan, and Gujarat. Now, Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is an island nation in the Indian Ocean. It is located off the southern coastal of India. Bangladesh. Bangladesh is a rearing country that shares its borders with the Indian state of West Bengal, Mizoram, Meghalaya, Tripura, and Assam. Myanmar. Myanmar is situated in Southeast Asia. It shares its borders with the Indian states of Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, and Mizoram. China. China states in borders with the Indian states of Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, and Arunachal Pradesh. Student, it is the fourth largest country. Bhutan. Bhutan is located at the eastern end of the Himalayas. Bhutan is located at the eastern end of the Himalayas. It shares its border with the following Indian states of Sikkim, West Bengal, Assam, and Arunachal Pradesh. Nepal. Nepal is located along the Himalayas and shares its borders with the following Indian states: Bihar, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Sikkim, and West Bengal. So, again we will discuss our neighboring countries are, yes, Afghanistan, Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Sri Lanka. Okay, students. So listen and watch this video carefully. Thank you, students.